Based on today's price action, what the market is doing, let's analyze and create our plan for Monday. And today's market is indecisive. It opened higher, and after that there is a breakdown of this important swing, and we decided that it may act as a support. This is a previous resistance zone. It opened gap up and traded above this level. It may act as support, but this level is broken, and we created in our plan, yesterday's plan, that if this level is going to break, this should be your first target and second target, and this target is achieved, and it went beyond that, and after that there is a bounce and touched this point again, and this trade worked out for a first target, and after that it went into sideways mode, and you can see it consolidated. Here you can see it consolidated in this range for a long time, and after that it tried to go higher and closed around this point in the middle, exactly at the previous day's closing price, and day before this yesterday's closing, and previous day's closing, and today's closing. 3 days closing is almost similar, and it varies by a few points, and opening is different. Every day it opened higher, then there is a sell off. Today also it opened higher, there is a sell off. And what this means is there are sellers in the market who are trying to push the market down. And what are the important levels? What is going to happen on Monday or next week? Let's create, and we are only going to focus on one day, the next trading day, and we can plan what are the scenarios and what is going to happen in the next week also. Let's see that. Before that, let's go into daily time frame and let's see what is happening. And you already know this higher time frame. If you are following my videos daily, you already know this is a one leg bullish leg, and this is a bearish leg, and after that it is a bullish leg, and now the previous leg is bearish, it is bullish. Now it is going to be a bearish or bullish. We should wait. Today's price action is indecision. You can see what happened is it opened gap up and it went lower, closed exactly at the closing price. You see what I'm talking. Let me zoom in into this zone. Previous day's closing is around this point, day before yesterday's closing, and previous day's closing is around, and today's closing is also here, that is Friday's closing is also exactly at the point. It is consolidating around the same zone and it is closing around the same point. There is going to be a big move coming in coming days, in coming trading sessions, because it is closing at the same point. Someone is building positions or someone is offloading the positions, but something is going to happen in the next upcoming trading sessions. And based on this, let's draw once more. This is a bearish leg, bullish leg, bearish leg, bullish leg. Whether it is going to be a bearish leg or it is going to break this level, or from here it is going to break this level, whichever side it is going to break, we are going to see a big move. And which side it is going to break, we should see, or whether it is going to consolidate for a few days and after that it is going to break on the higher side or on the lower side, we should see. And let's create our plan for Monday based on today's levels, and we can only predict one day based on the available levels. And let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Let's mark important support and resistance levels. This is going to be an important support level. Today it bounced from this level, and this is going to be an important resistance level because there is a sell-off around 2 p.m. That is not a big sell-off, but there is a sharp fall from this level, and it consolidated in this zone. And the important support level is this one, this consolidation range. On Monday it is going to play key role, and there is a one more zone. This is a one more resistance zone because this is a selling point. From here there is a selling, and from here there is a selling. This is going to act as important resistance level, and another important resistance level is a previous selling zone. This is a previous selling zone, and if you want, you can mark one of these levels as important resistance levels. Okay, tomorrow we have multiple levels. On the downside also we have multiple levels. This is going to act as important support. This is an important level, and if market breaks these levels, this level, it is going to be a panic selling level, this level or a previous swing level, and this level is still intact and still works even for next week. If this level breaks, we can see further sell-off and panic selling in the market, because the price action is also supports if this level breaks. And as of now, the market is indecisive. It is not decided whether it is going to go higher or whether it is going to go lower. Once it is decided whether it is going to go lower based on the price action only. What I'm saying is based on the price action. Here, we don't know whether it is going to go higher or go lower. Here it is an up leg, but these are red candles. These are bearish, and if this level breaks, we can see further up move if these levels are breaking. we can see a panic selling zone, and these are important levels, this one, and this level. If these levels are breaking next week, there's going to be a panic selling. Okay, let's focus on next one trading session. If it opens inside this range, you can expect a consolidation for a first few hours, and after that, if it's going to break this level, it is going to be go higher, and you should aim for this as first target one. It opens flat opening, and after consolidation, if it breaks, this is your first target, and you can aim for this second target, or else you can book your profit and close for the day. And if it's breaking on the downside, this is going to be your target. This big move from 720 to 620 or a 640 level, it is going to be 80-100 points move from this point to that point. And if it opens a gap down, you should look for bearish opportunities on a breakout or on a pullback towards this level or towards this closing price, and you should enter selling opportunity for this target. And on a gap up also it's the same. You can enter the breakout or pullbacks. You should look for a buying opportunity for this target and for this target as well. And if you have a decent profit, exit around this level. Don't wait in the market, because the market is not yet decided. Once the market decides the trend, you can stay on that side, but currently the trend is not yet decided. Market needs to show the trend, and today's candle is indecisive, and you have seen it in a daily time frame also. It opened here, went lower, closed here. It is like a pin bar candle, and the previous trading sessions price action is bearish. Today's price action is indecision, and we need to see what happens on Monday. And based on these levels, you can take the trades in the direction where the levels are breaking. You can take the trades based on these levels. If you want to learn technical analysis and master price action, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. I am going to post market analysis videos daily, so that you can learn technical analysis and price action daily without missing. If your main focus is learning, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.